Adding voiceover with RenderForest. Videos are more effective with powerful voiceovers. 3 ways to add voiceover to your videos. Record here now. Use text-to-speech. Use your pre-recorded voice. Text-to-speech is so cool, but it's a paid feature. Let's explore the record now option. Are you ready? Sign up for the full tutorial. For details, subscribe. MBMX Solution. Subscribe on YouTube. Alright. Good morning and welcome to Mobile Phone Video Editing Made Easy. Video we just watched where we used a voiceover on our video project. So we assume you've already done your video and it's ready, but you did not add a voiceover. So what you're going to do, you come to My Videos and you select which of the videos you want to add a voiceover. So you just come and select on Edit. Select Edit on any of the ones that you want to work on. So I select Edit. So you come straight to your music icon here. Meanwhile, we are using the app, the mobile app. I will also show you briefly on if you are using the website. Okay, you select music and your page opens up. What you have here, you already have a background music, but no voiceover. It's totally empty. So what we are going to do today is we are going to remove the background music and use only the voiceover. So select here and delete the background music. Confirm it, remove. So we are now going to focus on the voiceover. So select on plus sign here. Okay, so you will select the add voiceover at the bottom here. You see add voiceover here. Just click it and you see record now. You have text to speech and you have select from documents. We are picking record now option. The text to speech is a type that when you type your text, the computer will decide to generate speech for you, but it's a paid feature, so we are not using that. And if you've already recorded your voiceover, you can select that and load the voiceover directly. But we are going to be using the record now feature. If you are using it for the first time, you may need to configure it. It may ask for some permissions and all that. Just go ahead and approve the permissions. So we have here, please select a recording duration. The scene we are working on is 7 seconds. So your voiceover should be 7 seconds or less. So we click on start. And then if you don't finish on time, it's going to stop. You can click done when you are finished, or you start over. So I'm going to take it again and be a bit more serious this time around. Recording is ongoing, but you can't hear me because I'm also recording my voice. And I click stop. It's going to ask you for a voiceover name. So let me just call it test. Let me call it test 9. And I select done. So it saves your voiceover and it comes up here. So you can select here to preview, just like when you're adding music, select there to preview and select here to add to your project. So let's add that. Okay, so our voiceover is there. Select plus and you can
Vision Logistics or your online services.
Okay, so there we go. Sorry for the sound on my mic. My phone, it's an old phone, so the sound is not very clear, but we are okay with that. So that's how to get a voiceover done with your with the app. If you are using it, of course, when you are done, you preview and you export. If you are using the website version, okay, so if you are using the website, the toolbar is at the top here, not at the bottom. So you just search for music and then remove the background music and then select add voiceover. There you go. So add voiceover again down here. And select record. Okay, so the project is 36 seconds. So your voiceover will take up to 36 seconds. So let's record. Okay, so the recording begins, but you can't hear what I'm recording because the phone is recording my tutorial at the same time. So, okay, done. Click on stop. You can either save or you preview. And previewing, you click on the play button and what you played will be previewed. So you click on save and it's saved. And once you save it, you have the recording there. Is there the first one? You can either play to preview or you click the plus sign to add. And so it's added and you can also preview it in your project. So after that, you click on preview. You know where that is. And you can either choose to use the fast preview or the HD 720 preview. Okay, so we are done with that. That's just the basic difference between the mobile app and the website. We are going to move on to, I'm going to show you a better option, my preferred option for voiceovers, recording voiceover with InShot. Recording voiceover with InShot. So you leave your project in RenderForest without voiceovers and without music, and just do the graphics and do the video and take it to InShot and add your voiceover and the music. So let's go there. Okay, we are in InShot. We've loaded the video already. You know how to do that. And so what we are going to do right now is let's preview. You can see we don't have any voice. The voice has been removed. We're going to now do a voiceover and be reading the text so we can have a more effective way doing our voiceover. So in InShot, if you want to record your voiceover, you come to select music icon, and you see music if you're just adding a song, or record. So we're going to select record, and it gives us a countdown, and we're supposed to, as usual, once we are recording, you can't hear what I'm recording, and so you can see the red recording details going on there. Okay, so pause and then we'll continue at the end of the recording. Okay, so we are done. Once you're done with the recording, you can see here the clip you just recorded is showing the red recording region. So what you do now is you're going to either take it again or cancel it or accept it. We are going to accept it. Okay, once you accept it, it becomes a voice clip on top of your video layer here in InShot. So let's scroll back and see what we did. Start recording. Adding voiceover with RenderForest. Powerful voiceovers. Your videos are more effective. 3 ways to add voiceover to your videos. Record now, use the text-to-speech, use your pre-recorded voiceover. Text-to-speech is so cool, but it's a paid feature. So there you go. You can edit any aspect, like the beginning, what I was talking to you guys popped in. Let's start recording. See that, start recording. Start recording. So in InShot, it's so easy to edit clips. Just touch the clip, it will be selected. How you know it's going to be selected is it's going to have this white border round bottom top, so you know that is a clip that is selected. So once the clip is selected, you're going to scroll and look for split. Scroll to the part you want to cut out. Let's play it again. Start recording. Okay, take it again. Start recording. Okay, I want to cut out that start recording. And then I select the clip. You're going to see, once the clip is selected, you have options. You see split. Split. So you select split. Okay, it has cut the clip into 2. You can see now we have 2 clips. So touch the clip you've selected, highlight it, and come to delete. You can see your delete icon is here. So you select delete. It cuts out that clip. Now playback. Adding voiceover with RenderForest. Alright, so let's always tick to accept the changes you've made. Now a quick one before we go. We are going to add music at the background. Still come to music again here. Select music. This time around you will select music, not record, which was when we were recording our voice. Or you could also select an effect, but that is not for today. So today we are just adding music. So you select music. You have options. You can pick from InShot featured music, a whole library of featured music. Some are free, some are for sale. Or you can go to My Music. This will pick songs from your collection, from your music library. So let's go to My Music, and then let's look for any song you want. Let me pick this instrumental here. It's a popular instrumental. Pick it. So you can see there you have a preview button and you have use. If you want to use this one, you click on use. So let's select use. See, it's popped in there. Adding voiceover with RenderForest. Alright, the music volume is louder than the voice. You want to take that down. So just click on that clip to select it, the instrumental clip. Look for volume. So you're going to scroll on the 2 icon here till you see volume. So you scroll, volume. There is it. Select volume. And lower the volume. Alright, so we have a better volume there. Let's preview it. Adding voiceover with RenderForest. Powerful voiceover. You can still fine tune it. Like I personally think I should take it down a bit more. Okay, also you notice something. If you want to reduce the fade in, you don't want the music to just jump in, you want it to fade in, start low volume and rise up, and you want it at the end for the music to also fade out, have a high volume and start going down like we have in professional projects. And I hope you know you are doing a professional project. So we still select, still come to volume, and you see down here you have fade in and fade out. So you're going to select the fade in You can notice as I'm shifting the fading, it's fading. I want it to just fade in at the beginning and then fade out at the end. You can see, notice the fade in and the fade out. So when it gets to the end of the song, the music will fade out quietly. Okay, so we settle that. Now let's play our music from the beginning. Watch the fade in now. Adding voiceover with RenderForest. Powerful voiceover. Your videos are more effective. Okay, of course, once you are done, you click on the tick and then you save, which is always at the top here. Click on save and your project will be saved. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.